Nukhungni bihik busatyi Beraikhiri thai Berai mungo ongkhorka Hasteni Hastepha Indroshena Reddy Lalo Saringni jorawo Nukhungni borongti Kolashahor tongma Unakoti Swrangchati Berai Naikha Hasteni Hastepha Indroshena Reddy Lalo Shawimanka Salburin Bagibo Berai mungo ongkhormani abuni yagulo Tripura Hasteni kereng Beraikhiri thai Berai nainai Romdi Unakotino Kari Dombor Tuibom Naikha Kunjo Sobi Mura Nirmohal Shibaijola Kubi Kubun Borong Kutuk Eba Malmata Tongthai Thairogo Bahino Berai Nai Hastepha Salbruni Bagi Berai Mungo Ongkhorjak Bini Berai Mung Pathak Tongai December ni Nisi Char Salmari Obahino Koktamaw Shawimanka.
Unakoti visit.
Worldwide, wherever historical places are there, other countries they are making as a tourism spots. Though we started late, now we are also picking up, and internationally people are coming, and particularly Tripura state. It is the identity of this with this caves. So it should be. It is already developed. Further, also it should be developed. Like just now, I am interacting with guides, though they are taken training for this particular project and how to deal with guests. They should have further license. People will believe only licensed guides. So it should be given. I will take up with DM is here, but state level tourism department also I will take up this particular issuing of license to guides, and I am happy. This is well maintained, and people are coming here, and it will grow further also.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you a lot.